United States ki nauna President oirakraba President Donald Trump na Myanmarda mahirosing scholarship ki Senfam oina United States na US dollar million Myanmarda Piramba adu Louthokhre. White House ta wangangbada President Donald Trump na hai scholarship ki damag US dollar million Myanmarda haibasi yamlaba senfam amani hairiba senfam sing asi kadai da chatkrabage haibasi aina ngasi numit chupa ama haibada loiroi maram asina hairiba senfam sing asi lana chatkriba asi thidoklagani amadi senfam sing asi maram chana sijinahanaba hotnagani haiki panba yai madudi hairiba senfam sing asi mamangda President oiramba Joe Biden ki administration na diversity inclusion equity and accessibility policies ki makada diversity and inclusiveness scholarship program oina Myanmar gi mahiroi singda scholarship ki senfam phanganaba kaithoklamba senfam ni
We also blocked $45 million for diversity scholarships in Burma. 45, that's a lot of money for diversity scholarships in Burma. You can imagine where that money went. These were the types of payments and many others. I could stand here all day and tell you things that we found. And we have to find them quickly because we want the money to flow to proper places.